To err is human. After Lord Sri Rama attained victory over Lanka, they went to bring back Mother Sita from Ashoka Vatika. Then Hanuman looked around and said, "Mother, all these she-demons have tortured you for the last 1 year. You just order me, and in one strike of my club, I'll have all of them killed." Mother Sita replied, "Please don't be angry at them. I'll tell you a story, after which I shall tell you what to do." Once, in a forest, a lion was chasing a hunter, and the hunter was running hard to save his life. The hunter finally climbed up a tree and sat on a branch, breathing heavily. To his horror, he found that the same branch had a bear sleeping on it. He adjusted himself on another branch, hoping that the bear would not wake up from his nap. Meanwhile, the lion could not climb up the tree, so it just waited for the hunter to climb down. As time went by, the lion came up with a plan. He called out to the bear, which was sleeping, and told him, "Oh bear, wake up. See who is sitting beside you. He is a hunter. He is our enemy. He kills animals. Why don't we teach him a lesson? You give him a push, and I'll do the rest." The bear looked at the hunter and said, "He has taken shelter of this tree. I have also taken shelter of this tree. So it is not correct to betray someone who has come to our shelter." Saying thus, he went back to sleep again. Seeing that his plan had failed, the lion came up with another plan. This time he called out to the hunter, "Oh hunter, don't you want to go home? I shall leave you if you provide me food. Instead of you, I can eat the bear. All you need to do is push the sleeping bear, and then you can go back home. I'll not harm you." The hunter thought this was a good idea. He pushed the bear. But the bear was an agile climber. It caught another branch and climbed back to his original position. The hunter was trembling, expecting some reaction from the bear. But the bear just looked at the hunter and rested his head on his paws. This time, the lion called out to the bear once again, "Oh bear, didn't I tell you that this hunter is never to be trusted? See, he pushed you. You just push him down and I'll take care of him." The bear again opened his eyes, looked at the hunter, and said, "Actually, great people always forgive others," and again went back to sleep. Thus, Mother Sita ended the story and said to Hanuman, "My dear Hanuman, we must forgive these she-demons. Although they have caused much pain to me, as great people always forgive others." Hanuman was extremely touched by Mother Sita's compassion. He forgave the she-demons and gave up the idea of punishing them. So our moral of the story would be, to err is human, but to forgive is divine. Thank you. Namaste.